What, I know I look rough, okay? But we are going to be transforming. I'm sick. Okay. I'm sure people that's not gonna hurt for me. That's a little bit better. What up, you guys? Okay, so my place is a mess. My room is a mess. So we've got a lot to catch up on. Let me take these first. Oh, okay, it's recording. Good morning, you guys. Okay, I'm really hoping you're gonna be stable enough. It's here. Well, some of it's here. Okay, let me tell y'all the story. We've got a lot to cover in this video. I know I'm looking crusty. The point of this video is actually going to be for me to move from looking like this to something better. So I'm putting in tape and extensions. I'm also going to be doing my lashes, going to be redoing my nails, and then going to get my feet done because they have not been done professionally in quite some time. So that's happening. And I need to get my eyebrows done. I think I might do that today. I look crazy. Alright, so we're just going to dive right in. So what I'm going to do first is actually straighten my hair. I just put a relaxer in, but I do not straighten it. So I'm going to attempt to straighten it with this Tymo Ring Plus Ionic Hair Straightening Comb. I ordered this like a week ago, and it just got here yesterday, which had good timing because I relaxed my hair last night, but I was just too tired and I didn't feel like drying my hair. So I let it air dry, also to prevent putting excess heat on it. I'm going to straighten my hair, and then I'm actually going to trim my ends, and then we're going to install the tape and extensions.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do.
What up, guys? Okay, I know I look crazy, but it's raining outside and your girl just gotta relax, so we play no games. I'm going to get my feet done. I have my lashes done now. I have my hair done. So my nail stuff should be here today. I'm gonna get my toes done today. And then, yeah. So, let's go.
Love, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want.
What up, guys? I'm sorry. What up, guys? Welcome back. Okay, so actually I already did my lashes off camera. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I was on FaceTime late last night and I was doing my lashes like as I was on FaceTime, so I couldn't record, and my camera for some reason, like, it, I don't know, it won't turn on. It was working earlier and now it's not. So anyways, I did my lashes, but I do want to show you guys what I use to do them. So I do not go get my lashes done professionally. I just, one, I take them off way too frequently, and it's just no, I'm sorry, I'm just not. So shout out to the girls who do. It's not for me, especially. I mean, we DIY our hair over here, so obviously lashes would be the same. So what I use are these right here. It's the Lash View Clusters. Easy wear individual lashes, and I get the one that has a 10D and 20D at the same. So this one is about gone, as you can clearly see. It's very well loved, and I actually went on like a thing and bought a bunch of lash supplies, and so I actually use the, I don't know, I will put it down below because I can't pronounce it, but this one is the one I used. These right here, I use a combination of these and these, and I use a few 14s, but mostly 14 to 10. So I kind of just start at 14 and go into 10. They're about 2 or 3 of each one, and this is what the kit looks like. So it's a cluster lash kit, a home use kit, and you get a pair of tweezers and then some lash glue. I don't use that lash glue, okay? Don't use it. I can't say I don't recommend it because I've never tried it, but I don't use that. I use 2 different types. So one of these, I think you can get them both from Amazon, but just in case you can't. Oh, another pair of lashes that I like using are these right here. And I just cut them up and do the same thing with them. So I like using this here. So this one is Busted and Disgusted because it's hellaciously old. And it just has a, it's so gross. I only use this one here for the, for the like glue, but it just has like a little wand, and I will comb this through my lashes, and then I will put a little bit of glue on the bottom of the cluster and just glue it underneath my lash line. So that's how they look. They're all underneath the lashes. And then I also will dip the glue or dip the clusters in this right here, which is the Glad Girl Lash Lock. I ordered this straight from their website because it's like $5 and free shipping. So I ordered it straight from their website. And then I need to get some more of this, but I use the Velux by I Envy. It is called the Eyelash Overnighter, and pretty much it extends your wear. So this is what I do right now to do my lashes. I also used... in the past, like I kind of interchanged this, but it is the Blinkifly Lash Cluster, and it's wand just like this. I have several of these that I kind of just like go through and rotate, but the one that I stand behind, this one right here, I stand behind this one 10 toes, and this right here, stand behind it 10 toes. So that is what I use. And then for my lash application, I use a combination of a regular pair of tweezers, so just like those, just plain slant tip tweezers you can get from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, wherever. I then also like to use these, so I will put this on after the fact and just kind of press my lashes and the lashes together to get me a extra tight adhesion, and it makes it last longer. And normally they will last me, if I don't fiddle with them and I don't like scrub my eyes, they'll last me probably about 5 days. And then I take them off because my eyes are itching, and so I want to do something else. So I'll take them off and do something else. And I also use these type, or not, I haven't used these before. I just want these to try, but like the clusters like this, I also use these because they go a lot faster than these other ones here. These are a little, they're not tedious, but they are a little more time consuming because you have to do each individual one. And these are kind of bigger than the others. So yeah, that is how I do my lash applications, and I do them probably about once a week. And I have not lost any lashes yet, so it's definitely safe for your lashes. I also have a video, I'll see if I can link it down below, that I filmed a few months back that I show like how I do it specifically. But this is updated, this is what I do, and yeah. What's up, guys? Okay, so the tea, where I've been. No, it is not clickbait. The thumbnail is correct. I quit my job. And that honestly kind of leads into the where I've been situation. So to start the story, we have to go back to probably last March or so. And a little bit of context, I work in higher education, and I'd been at my previous job for over 10 years. And I felt like God was kind of calling me to leave in the past couple years, like I felt very stagnant. Like I didn't feel like I was progressing, and I felt like maybe the reason other areas of my life weren't growing was because I was too scared to leave this job. And so, you know, I remember having some very honest conversations with myself and with some of my coworkers. And, you know, I had a whole list, because when God told me, you know, it's time to leave, like he started nudging me. I was just like, but I'm comfortable. So I just kept like giving the same list of stuff to everyone whenever they were just like, well, why don't you leave? And And so basically the past year, God has just been taking everything that I had on that list and knocking it off. Until it got to the point this past, I would say, honestly, like the last 6 months. So pretty much when I stopped posting in September, I was going through it. Like when people talk about going through the wilderness, like they are not joking. I really and truly felt like that's what I've been going through, the wilderness, because I was been stressed out. Like I can't even explain, and I don't want to make this part super long, but basically I was like drowning at work. And so I pretty much put every other part of my life on pause, YouTube included, so that I could just survive. Like it wasn't even me trying to thrive. It literally was just me trying to get up in the morning, get to work without having a meltdown or a panic attack, and get back home without, you know, again, having a panic attack or having a meltdown in the car. And so it really just became me choosing work over everything else. And anyways, like it got so bad in like March of this year that I was just like, I can't take it anymore. And one of the biggest reasons that I was afraid to leave was because I didn't have something else lined up. And I just, to be honest, like I was not prepared to leave. So it was kind of just like, I don't want to leave unless, like, I wanted to kind of monkey bar the situation. Like I didn't want to leave this job until I had another job to go to. And sometimes God calls you to step out on faith. And so it literally got to the point where I was just like, here's my 2-week notice. I gotta go. I didn't have another job lined up. There's some information that is, we're working on it. That's all I can say right now, but we were struggling, and I had to be honest with, for the longest time, I wasn't being honest with myself. I wasn't being honest with my family. I wasn't being honest with my friends. Like everyone thought like, oh, this is so great. You're getting new opportunities. They didn't realize like, those opportunities are coming at the price of my sanity. Like there were days that I was crying in my car. I sunk into depression. I was battling anxiety. I was going to, like, I wouldn't sleep at night because I had so much anxiety about I was going to face the next day at work. And I felt like every time I was telling people at work, like, listen, these are what I'm dealing with over here, like nobody was listening to me. And so it would just, like I said, it just got to the point where I was just like, okay, you know what? I have to leave. Like this place is not for me anymore. The blind loyalty that I had is not serving. It's not giving what we thought it was gonna give. So it's time to leave. So that's what happened. I put in my 2 weeks notice, and as of the end of April, I no longer work there. It's very bittersweet because I was there for 10 years, or almost, it would have been 12 years in June. So it's bittersweet because, like I said, I've been there for so long, but at the same time, I also know, like, I've never been happier, even with the uncertainty that I've been dealing with in the last 2-3 weeks. Like, even with that uncertainty, I've never been happier. So I am definitely know that it was the right choice. And I feel like the peace that I have, because I really and truly thought I'd be freaking out right now. And I can only give God credit for me not being completely freaked out. Like, if I think about it too much, I'm kind of just like, yo, that's crazy. But, you know, it's crazy that I did this, but I also know, like, he's calling me to bigger, better things, and you can only grow and prosper if you're willing to step out on faith. So that's where I've been. I'm sorry. Hopefully the content will be getting a little bit more regular, because I have some weeks until I start my new job. So I definitely have nothing but time and opportunity.
And so the thing that I'm praying for most of the time for people.
Okay. Sorry, let me turn off my podcast. So I'm trying to get into listening to sermons on podcasts because for some reason, like I missed them during church. So I don't know. I just feel like it's like an extra little like sprinkling of Jesus during the week. So I listen to church podcasts. All right, nails are done. I went with like a pinky color. If you can see, I need to put some like a top coat on them, but I have not done that part yet because I'm tired. I'm tired. That's what it is. I really love the way this nail, like these came out. I really want to do some more of those. But yeah, they're done. I'm going to go ahead and just wrap up the vlog here because I don't know how long this is. And I know I have a lot of footage. Really quickly, I do want to show you guys. So my hair, I actually ordered some like PU hair extensions, which is the ones that like they're giving scalp. Okay, it looks legit like it's growing out of your head, but when I ordered them and I ordered these at the same time, they were not made, and the company didn't tell me that until after I had placed the order and paid and everything. So they emailed me and was like, oh, it's gonna be 7 to 10 days, and I was just like, I can't wait that long. So I went ahead and just installed the extensions that I had. So at the front, you can kind of see like some clear pieces, because if you notice in that portion of the vlog, I did single pieces. So this is just like one, like it's actually a half piece. And then on this side of the extension is a single-sided piece of tape. What I'm going to do is once I get the other extensions, I'm going to replace the single-sided tape with the other extension hair. Because since it's so close to the front of my hair, it's going to look more realistic. But in the meantime, it is a little bit, like you can see a little bit of it. Although I'm sure if I washed my hair and the curls came out, it probably would conceal that part. But yeah, so otherwise, I'm like very, very, very happy with the way that they turned out, if I'm being completely honest. And I'm going to do, again, a separate video that kind of goes over everything. Probably once the other extensions get here and I can show you guys all of it. But just to show you the back. Okay. So this is all of my hair. Plus the extensions. And I don't even know how to my hair tied. But it's fine. And I'm probably just gonna wear like headbands for the next few days until the other hair gets here, because it should only be like another week or so at this point. It's not like I have a lot of stuff to do this week, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video.
Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me